In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt-4o for ad generation. Whether you're an experienced marketer or a small business owner looking to expand your digital strategy, this guide is here to help streamline your advertising efforts using the power of artificial intelligence. Let's dive in and explore how to make the most of this tool in just a few easy steps. To begin our journey, it's essential to define your brand and clarify your goals. Understanding your brand's identity and the message you want to convey is crucial. Consider what makes your brand unique and the audience you wish to reach. Are you promoting a product launch or perhaps driving more traffic to your website? Clearly outlining these specifics will provide the foundation for creating effective and authentic ad content tailored to your target market. Next, open ChatGPT. Simply access it via your preferred device and ensure you have a stable internet connection. This step is all about logistics, getting you set up in the environment where creativity meets technology. Opening ChatGPT is straightforward, but a crucial step that brings you closer to generating those attention-grabbing ads. Once you have ChatGPT open, it's time to start a new chat. Think of this as opening a fresh canvas ready for your ideas. Starting a new conversation allows you to engage with the AI directly, setting the stage for your ad development process. It's an invitation for exploration, so feel free to initiate this chat confidently, knowing it's the platform where your ad concepts will begin to take shape. After initiating this new chat, prompt Chatgpt-4o to generate ad variations for you. This involves asking it to create multiple versions of an ad based on the brand guidelines and goals you previously established. The AI can provide different tones, angles, and styles, offering a variety of approaches you might not have considered. This aspect is particularly beneficial as it gives you a range of options that you can choose from or even combine. Moving on, let's focus on creating visuals with ChatGPT. While ChatGPT excels in generating text-based content, it can also guide you in conceptualizing visuals. By describing the elements you desire, the AI can help you refine your visual ideas, which you can then execute using graphic design tools. These visuals, in harmony with your ad copy, will enhance the overall impact of your advertisement, drawing more attention from your target audience. Finally, optimize your ad content for the specific platform you intend to use. Each platform has its nuances and best practices, from image dimensions to video length constraints. Ensure your newly created ad aligns with these specifications, and think carefully about the user experience on each platform. By tailoring your content to fit each platform's requirements, you'll maximize its effectiveness and reach. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to generating ads with Chatgpt-4o. By following these steps, you're well on your way to crafting engaging ad content efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy ad creating!